Hello friends, recently I saw this very interesting question on Reddit. What do you use for generating open graph images automatically? And it got me thinking. There are quite a lot of businesses built around solving this problem. There is the Vercel open graph image generator, there is a tool like HTML CSS to image that lets you build your own HTML and make an API call and generate an image out of it. But you and me are developers, we don't want to pay for tools to generate open graph images automatically. We want to build one on our own. So we are going to build such a tool in this episode. As the example, we are going to have a list of Ruby on Rails conferences. We're going to have initial data as the name, location, start date, and URL. And based on this data, we are going to take a screenshot of each of these websites and place them in our own HTML wrapper and take a screenshot of this and use it as an open graph image when you visit each of these posts. So when you share them in social media, they will have this beautiful previews. So I invite you to watch the full episode on cprails.com.